How to fix X or Twitter playback error. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is clear cache for the X app. To do that, launch your Settings app, navigate to the option General, head over to the option Storage. From this list, find X. Once you find the app, launch it. Now click on Offload app, click on Offload app again, wait for a few minutes and then click on Reinstall app. This might fix your issue. Next up, update your X app. For that, launch App Store, search for the app X. After app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Likewise, check internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or else you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and mobile data. Restart your router or modem if you are on Wi-Fi. Likewise, avoid using the app while charging. Some users have reported playback errors occurring when their phones are plugged in. Unplug your device and try playing the video again. If none of these solutions work, completely delete X app and again reinstall it. So press and hold on the app, click on Remove app, click on Delete apps, then click on Delete, navigate to App Store, search for the app and then install it. If the issue still persists, try accessing X on a different device or through a web browser like Chrome or Firefox. Following these steps, your problem will be fixed. So this way you can fix Twitter or X playback error. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.